going to be another 2-minute style video on how I put together an outfit starting with a certain piece. This time it's going to be this coral crop top. I actually really like coral because I think it's a really cheerful color for summer, and it's a trend right now, so two birds with one stone. As I was looking through my closet looking for something to pair this with, I stumbled onto this long silver skirt. I thought this was a more unusual pairing, but I think it really helped to dress up the coral top a bit. And since the resulting outfit was so girly, I paired it with a pair of spiky black combat boots to really toughen up the look a little bit. And that's it for this outfit. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it useful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!